Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine tutorial series. So today I'm going to show you how to make this character move between these knobs freely like this. It can move back, move right, move left. So anyway you want according to the availability of the knobs like this. Right. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Alright, so at the moment, when I try to move left or right, this is what happens. My eye keys are not being updated, so I need to work on that. Alright, let's go here. Hmm, where do I update? Right, where do I have the moment input? Okay, here. And when I'm on wall, this is on wall moment. Right, so at the moment what I'm doing is I just add a left or right moment input, and based on that I update the character's location. But here I don't update the IK values of the characters that I use when the character is on wall. So that's why when I move left and right, this odd behavior happens. See, when I move left and right, my IK values are not updated, so character stays in the same place. Right, so let's see how can we update those values. So instead of moving the character based on the movement input, let's go for a different approach. Here, mm, yeah, here I'll use a do once node, and then I'll do this. I calculate, yeah, I'll keep this same, and then I'll no need to have this. I'll get rid of this. If this is true, I'll move component, the capsule component, goes to the target relative location. Well, I need to calculate that. Okay, so now that I think about this, I think well, I could go for a different approach, because let's let me see. In the jump, let me check it first. Right, so in the jump, this is the jump input. So when I'm on the wall, what I do is check knob around the character's location and move the character based on that. So okay, so I think we can do this. I'll yeah, let's uh, expand this and convert it to a macro. Expand node. Alright, keep the selection, and Okay, no, we have to do this. Collapse to macro. So let's name this what? We already have a check ledge. Alright, check knob M. Okay, so this should be no knob, and this should be hang down knob. Let's get rid of this else. I can't. And compile. Right, now here we have this. So we check the location above the character only because I'm in here. I don't consider left or right moves, so therefore mm, it's okay to check this. But if I get the start location of the character based on the direction that I'm trying to move, I can have different results. That means this. I can get the movement input, move right value like this. If the move right value, yeah, we can change this like this. Let's split this, get the move right value and multiply this by what, a float. Let's say no, not like this. Get this value, no, get right vector of the character. Actor right vector right, and multiply this with this. So if this is 0, then we will have no impact. And then get actor up vector and multiply that with get move forward. So if I am trying to move forward, that means if I am pressing W, it will try to get up. Okay, so I'll just add this and this. No, first I need to add these two and multiply it by a float, let's say 100, because otherwise these are unit direction vectors, so they will not have a real difference. And add it here and use this. Okay, now let's just check the jump. So So when I only press jump, nothing happens. So if I press the jump with the W, it moves upward. When I only press jump, nothing happens. I need to press W as well. Right. Now the next part is here. Check ledge, no, check knob. I don't have a do once part here. Right. Okay. So under movement input, instead of this wall movement here, I'll get this check knob and add it here. And I'll add a do once node before that, and after this is done, I'll reset it. Otherwise this will continuously happen. Alright, now let's see what happens. Oh, wait. I don't need to do this. Well, actually it is just a waste of resources if I continue to do this, even if I don't have any input keys. So therefore I'll check that condition like this. Well, actually, now that I think about this, I don't need to use this here at all. So we can, yeah, let's go here and let's do this only if, let's do a branch only if these values are not equal to 0. So like this, get the magnitude well, not the magnitude, the absolute value of this and absolute value of this, and get the sum of those two. And if these two values are larger than 0, that means we have some movement input. Only if that condition is true, I should execute this part. Otherwise I'll just connect this to not the no knob. I'll call it not checked. Now in the event graph, I have this, I'll connect that to the on wall. Right, and I'll add the do once node here. Or should I add debugging? Yeah, I should. Here we need the output as well, so therefore let's add a sequence, and I'll connect the first output here. and the second output I'll do the reset like this, and here also I should do the same. Add a sequence. I move this here. This also connect here, and not checked. Yeah, I don't have to do that. Alright, I think that's all I have to do. Let's see. Right, so now I am moving without pressing the space. I only use. Alright, now just to test that, let's add some knobs like this. Right, I can even move down as well, but I can't move left and right. Yeah, I know the reason. The reason is this. I think somewhere I check if the current location is same as the height is same as or something. Let me check. Yeah, this hanging point. No, not that one. Alright, here I'll give the intended location as this. So that's not what I should have done. I should have done this. And let's quickly check this also. Yeah, I check if the intended location is same as the current location. That should be alright. Alright, let's see. Okay, we have some bug. Let me check. Alright, I think I know the problem. So here, this one gives the actually gives the current location, current knob that I am hanging on to. So yeah, so therefore instead of this, here the radius is 200. So I think, and this is 300. Yeah, alright, I think I should use, yeah, I think I should increase this 100 into 300, and that way it should work. Let's see. Right, but now the character can move much further. That's not good. That's not good. So yeah, so when we try to get the closest knob, yeah, now I think I should use this. No. Let's reduce this to 100. And yeah, the problem is receiving the same knob as the current knob. So maybe therefore, let's see. Yeah, we can do this. Let's first check if the impact point is equal to the intended location. No, not the intended location, the knob location. That means the current knob's location with the difference of, let's say, 1. If that's the case, if this is true, I won't do anything. I'll just ignore. If it is false, I'll do this. Now I think it should work. Let's see. No. Okay, this time let's try increasing this value to 50, and also here let's decrease this radius to 100. That's because here I check a radius, I check an offset 100 from the current character. So if I keep it more than 100, let's say if I'm trying to move, and it will even trace the knobs in the left side as well from the character. Right, let's see. But nothing happens. Why is that? Right, here in the hang on knob part, I have this disconnected false node. Maybe that's the case. Yeah, that happens when I don't have what? Yeah, when there is some problem. I'm not sure. So let's connect it here to no knobs. Alright, shall we see what happens? Right, so when I press the right movement button, you can see in the right side this trace, but as you can see, it's below the character's hanging point. That's because the character's location is lower from the hanging point. So yeah, I think we can do this. In the check knobs, instead of using the actor, just the actor location, I think I should add some offset just like before. Let's add 150. This should work, I think, now. Right, now when I press right and left, I can move here without an issue. Okay, cool. So right, I think I'll stop at this point, and in the next episode I'll work on yeah, now I can't again get back on the upper ledge, so I'll work on that part in the next episode. And if you if you think my work is good, and if you like to support, you can get the membership of my Patreon club, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.